Just before we start, you know the culture in this channel. Smash the subscribe button. Smash it. Smash the like button. Hello, are you smashing it? Smash the subscribe button. Smash the like button. So now that you smash it, let's get started. So let's go to the next way that people are making money online from the comfort of their house, and it's called print on demand. That is t-shirt business. People just say t-shirt business because t-shirt is very popular, but it's more than t-shirt. You can do with hat, you can do with sweatshirt, you can do with cardigans, you can do with all kinds of clothes, gowns, jewelry, wristwatch, all kind of wearables, as they call it. So if you are someone that have eyes for fashion, you can design things for people. So this will be a very good side hustle for you. And all you need to do is just to design what will be pasted on the shirt. You see this lady and this guy, I was the one that made these two designs you are seeing. Yes, I was the one that made these two designs. It's not beautiful. It's beautiful now. Encourage me. I'm not the one that have the material for these clothes. No, I'm working with Printful and Printify. They already have blank shirts like the one I'm wearing. They already have blank shirt like this. What you have to do is to do a design that they will paste on blank shirts. It can be black, it can be white, pink, or blue. Make a design on Canva. I use Canva to do this. They will paste on a shirt and they will help you to ship to your customer. So you see, this business is very sweet. They own the shirt. They will help you to do the delivery to the customer. Your main job is just to do the design, create the design. You're gonna create this worker net you are seeing, this lion that depicts strong. I was the one that made these two designs you are seeing. I just brought them to just give you an example of what you yourself can do. And it's simple to make. It even take up to 1 hour to make this. It's simple. So you list your clothes on Etsy, on Shopify, on eBay, on Amazon. And once a customer order that clothes, the company you're working with, which is most likely Printful or Printify, what they will do is to get the clothes, print your design on it, and help you to ship it. Of course, for helping you to do the job, you pay them for it, but the revenue comes to you. You just pay them for their own service, for helping you to make the clothes and ship the clothes to your customer. So you are in your house making clothes, running a profitable clothing business. And people are doing it on Instagram. Instagram shop now is very popular. People are buying clothes. They are just normal people like you and I creating designs. And I will just encourage you to go with your hobbies. What do you think people will buy? I was like, people like to work out. So that's why I did this one. So this one was like me just, I was just, okay, what else can I create? Decided to create this one. I have other designs that I've made. I have a full course on print on demand business you can check out to know how to start creating designs on clothes. It's a very simple and sweet business, and you really enjoy it. But the problem is that it's not profitable at the beginning. That's the problem I had with it. It's not very profitable at the beginning because it's very competitive. A lot of people are doing it. If you go to Etsy, let's go to Etsy for you to see what I'm saying. So if you go to Etsy and we type t-shirt, you will discover that there's huge competition in this space. So there are different t-shirts you are seeing. All these designs were made by normal people like you and I. They are not made by experts. Etsy doesn't have the time to make this design. It's normal people like you and I that made the design and partnered with Printful and Printify to be listing on Etsy website. So if you order this clothes now, the company you're working with print the design on them. This thing you are seeing at the center is the design. They'll print this design on them and ship it to your customer. And the money the customer pay comes to you. But you pay SC commission, you pay Printful or Printify, your partner, a commission for helping you to run the business. Very profitable if you have a good t-shirt design. You see? You see this one? Let's take this one as an example. What did he or she design? Teenager. The one where Lola turns into a teenager. You see it? That's where this person designed. You're seeing it, and he's selling it for £13.99, which is like $18, $20. So you see it. It's not made by an expert. It's made by someone like you and I that's chasing entrepreneurship, and it can really be profitable if you have a good design. Also, you can have merch by Amazon. So merch by Amazon simply means you are doing t-shirt, you are doing shirt, or doing merch, and you are selling it through Amazon website or through Amazon platform. So you can register on Merch by Amazon and start earning money today. It simply involves you designing t-shirts or designing shirts, designing clothes. You put a design. Amazon have the material, they have the resources. So your own job or your main job is just to design on the t-shirt. So Amazon will pay you for coming up with that design. So in summary, the shirt that you are buying on Amazon, see this shirt that I'm showing you here, was not created by Amazon. They were created by teenagers like you. They made some of this design and linked their store to Amazon. So if I click this shirt now to buy this shirt now, their partner that's managing the process for them, which is usually Printful or Printify, will ship the clothes to their customers. So you don't handle the inventory. The inventory does not come to your house. You don't need a warehouse. All you need is access to Canva or Photoshop to create a design. Then your third-party partner like Printful and Printify will help you to manage the inventory. They will help you to print it on a shirt and ship it to your customer. And you get, of course, the money comes to you and you pay your partner for helping you to handle the services. So this thing I've explained is called print on demand. We are here on Etsy. You can link your store to Etsy. T-shirt for women, you see. You too can do the same and sell it. Just go for what you like. Go for your niche area. If you're someone that's into football, you can type football here as an example. So you see football t-shirt. So you can create t-shirt easily. And to make a t-shirt is very simple. You can do it on Canva. You can also sell cap and other things on Redbubble, Etsy. There are different platforms that's being used to sell. eBay, even Facebook Marketplace. The things that you are buying are made by teenagers and you get paid for it. You put the price that you want. And if I want to make a t-shirt, I can just go on Canva, see it here on Canva, and I will log in. So I'm here on Canva. I will just type t-shirt. See t-shirt. I click on it and I can choose any design I want. To make this process easier, click on living my best life. If I click on print t-shirt, you see how it's looking. I can change the color to white. So you see, living my best life. This is how you look for a woman. For men, this is how you look for them. You see, it's very easy. See, living my best life. For youth, for teenager, this is how you look for them. For toddler, for infant, you see. So you see, it's very easy to make a t-shirt and start selling it on third-party website. I have a course that details the print-on-demand process. It's just simply to show you the path on how to create a design, like this design that is here, on how to connect it to Printify or Printful. And the reason for you to connect it is because they have the shirt, they have the material. What you have is the design. They have the shirt or the material. They will help you to print your design on the shirt. Imagine this shirt I'm wearing now. They will print Living My Best Life or any other design I want on it. And they will help you to ship it to your customer. So they handle the difficult part of the process. Your main job is just to create the design and to open a store on Amazon or Etsy or Redbubble. It could also be on eBay. Open a store and you link your shirt from Printify or from Printful to Amazon, to eBay, to Etsy in order to start earning money. We can create different t-shirts here. In this class that I have on Skillshare, I explained to you print on demand for creatives and while you sleep. I explained on how I made this shirt I'm wearing, Workout Nerd. I was the one that made this shirt. So, and I explained to you the whole process of making this shirt and selling it to my customers without me handling the inventory. I don't handle the inventory, the difficult part of the process. I don't bear the consequence of the process. So I just create design and list my t-shirt on Amazon, Etsy, eBay, and people are ordering it and I'm making money from it. So you see it. This is just an example. A lot of teenagers are creating designs now in their area. It could be in sport, it could be in school, it could be in playing. What do you like? Create a design on it and make money from it easily from the comfort of your house. Thank you guys for watching this video. I try to be fast and quick so that it won't be too long for you to watch to the end. But as always, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and let's get started.